Assalamualaikum. Come and join me. Let's do lentil soup. Here we have a boiling chicken broth. We will put our lentils, chopped carrots, and chopped potatoes. Our spices, black pepper, cumin, turmeric, salt, and a little coriander powder. Earlier, I sauteed onion, garlic, chopped coriander, and chopped celery. Our saute aromatics in. This is our rich lentil soup, guys, after blending. Try it, guys. This is our rich lentil soup. Best served with little pita bread and a little lemon juice on top. Try it, guys. So delicious.